In front of me is OnePlus 15 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. First of all, you need to open Devices Settings and scroll to click on this section called Security and Privacy. Then scroll again and this time tap on Device Unlock available here. Hit Screen Lock and tap on one of those password types, Numeric, Alphanumeric or Pattern. Wherever you decided, you need to wait 5 seconds to continue by clicking on Next in the pop-up. If you change your mind, you don't have to go back, just click on Use a different password type and pick one of those. 4 digits, 6 digits, 4 to 16 digits, alphanumeric or pattern. Then create it and repeat it to confirm it. Now choose Done, Enable, or Cancel if you decided to turn on Face Unlock, and if you do click on Enable, you will get this tutorial. All you need to do is follow it. I will check my lock screen though, so when I go back, switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!